How to use weight loss control centers to lose weight. Do a quick search on the internet of weight loss control centers to understand the concept. Weight loss control centers are facilities with trained staff dedicated to assist its clients in losing weight. Utilizing healthy meals that can be easily prepared or microwave, weight loss centers focus on portion control to help decrease the weight of patients. This is not a miracle or overnight fix but a lifestyle adjustment. Many different types of foods and flavors can be available depending on the weight loss center of your choice. Taking the time to research their diet plans and menus will help create a strong commitment to a center with an appealing dietary requirement. Portions are scientifically designed to help lose weight without losing muscle volume. While weight loss is important, retaining muscle volume and strength is advisable for any healthy diet regimen. Specifically, a balanced diet of carbohydrates and proteins will help create a calorie deficit that will reduce pounds immediately. Don't delay, find a weight loss center today. It's time to check with a doctor first before starting any rigorous diet and exercise program. Any adjustment to lifestyle or dietary patterns should be checked with a doctor to prepare against any setbacks or unknown health issues that need to be addressed. Diabetics and other patients suffering from the ailments of obesity are usually cleared to engage in a weight loss program using a weight loss center. Most centers are easy to find online. Take a moment and research success stories from different centers to choose the right place for you. Aside from the immediate health benefits such as extending the duration of your life, losing weight gives many improvements. Reduced blood pressure and lowered sugar levels will help relieve the chance of developing diabetes. Increased mobility can also be enjoyed through the relief of extra pressure and weight on joints and muscles. After experiencing all of these life-changing benefits, clients report feeling more self-esteem and confidence after shedding the extra weight. The cons are simply listed above. Multiple health problems that can shorten your life, lack of mobility and confidence. Your participation is.
Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Google+. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.